Yeah, we know the business. We're finally on some sort of solid flat ground.
Oh, nah, this is bumpy, terrible ground.
My stepdad just was like, there's a street, and the only street I've seen is one that way, and I don't think he knows where he's going anymore.
Off of a motorcycle.
Yeah, my little sister, the G, just fell off the motorcycle. She's still alright. She's still kicking. What about you? Is your sister a G? No.
Why the heck is there a yellow?
No!
The yellow line just goes right there. It isn't going anywhere.
Okay, so how do you guys feel about this little nature trip that we just took up a mountain?
Stupid. Now something like this popped in the back of my...
I'm starting to think that my stepdad doesn't know where he's going anymore. No. I think he's lost. I'm not gonna lie. I think he's lost. Where are we going? He said come through there.
Oh, that's what you're going back and forth.
Stepdad's making it. That's why it's good to wear pants. Do it again. It's good to wear pants. Yeah. Alright. So we're just going to keep walking and walking until we hit the street, which I don't think we've successfully done yet.
If we never come back,
Well, too bad, because Dad's going to tell her.
Dad, don't tell her!
He is. Or else we would all be stuck out here for a while.
Isn't the bike over there?
Yeah, that's what I was like. Dad, the bike is over there! I guess he's going to go.
Are you okay?
Good luck.